Welcome to Text Transform. Today we are here to find out the most popular movie using Hive. Remember in a couple of videos back I have created a demo and demonstrated you how to install MovieLens dataset. We already demonstrated some of the analysis using Pig for the MovieLens dataset. The same MovieLens dataset we are going to use for this session, and here we are going to find out the most popular movie using Hive. Let's get started and let's see what are the datasets and inside that MovieLens dataset which are the files I'm going to use. Let me go to my work folder, inside work datasets. Then these are the files we have already downloaded. I am going to utilize this u.data file and u.item file. This u.data file is nothing, and it's keeping only the movie ID, user ID, rating and timestamp. So it's the rating, basically it's a rating data, and u.item is nothing, it's a movie details. Let's say you can call it as a movie ID, movie name, release date, and IMDb links. It's containing all these informations. Why we are using these later we are going to join these two tables in order to replace the movie ID with the movie name, so that the results look more prominent and more user friendly to us. The next step is what we are going to do. We are going to create two tables inside Hive. One table is to contain this data file, one table is to hold u.item file, and after that, so this is the syntax for creating table. For rating, create, then loading data. We are going to load data also. Again we are going to create a table for the movie name, and we are going to load the data u.item file into this uh, Hive table name. Then finally we are going to write couple of HiveQL to find out the most popular movies. Let's get started for hands-on, and let me open my terminal. Let me copy this command. This command is actually basically what I am trying to do is I'm trying to create before that let me enter into the Hive cell or Hive colon. Yeah, we got the prompt. Let me clear out. Let's create our first table. The first table is we are going to create is a rating table. It's going to contain u.data file from MovieLens dataset, that is user ID, movie ID, rating, and timestamp, that is epoch seconds. The command I'm writing here is create table name, that is rating, then the column name, user ID, movie ID. These are the data types int, rating, epoch seconds from, and we are telling row format delimited, fields terminated by, because that data file is tab separated file. That's why we are giving the here delimiter as \t for tab separated. Let's create this data table. Okay, it's created. Let's move to our next command. Next command is nothing, we are loading data into this table, this rating table. For that, control shift V. So see what I'm doing here, load data local in path, the path of u.data file into table rating just we created. Enter. Let's query, select star from array rating, then I am limiting result to 10 because it's containing lot of data. Okay, we got this. See, we got this 10 data. Let me clear out once again. Then we have to create another table to hold the MovieLens uh, name from u.item file. Let's create the second table. So this is the command for creating second table. What we are doing here, we are creating a table called name, movie id title, we are going to mean only to this table movie id and title, that these two tables are only mean to us. Then I am giving the column 3 and column 4 name for the release date and IMDb link, because I'm not worried about these columns. Row format delimited fields terminated by pipe, because that this u.item file is pipe separated file, that's why I'm giving is a delimiter as a pipe. Let's enter. Okay, name table created. Let's load that u.item file into this name table. Control Shift V. For that, load data local in path, the path of the u.item file. Give your path into table name. Table is this name table, that's what we just created. Enter. Now quickly check the results. Select star from name limit time. I'm limiting here because we have 1000 records here, that's why I'm limiting. See, we got this movie id, movie name, release date. Fine. Now what we have to do, we have to I am going to create a view. Why I am going to create a view? Because after creating this view, I am going to join with this with our name table and find out and replace. Basically, I am going to replace with a movie ID with the actual movie name. That's why I want to join among these two tables. So let's copy this command, and I will tell you what I am doing here. Control C. It's not copied. Copy. V. Let me zoom out. So what we are doing here, we are creating a view called as and calling that view as top movie IDs. Basically, we are going to store some queries results in this top movie IDs view. What we are going to do, we are going to find we are going to select movie ID, then count of movie ID as rating count. Basically, we are counting how many times that particular movie ID has been rated by user. Let's say movie ID 1 has been rated by 5 users or 6 users. So I am going to collect that movie ID, along with that how many times it has rated. Let's say 6 time for movie ID 1 from rating, and we have to find the count of that movie ID. That's why I'm grouping based upon movie ID, group by movie ID, order by rating count desk. Means I am going to get, I want to sort my rating count in a descending order. So highest count will be coming first and lowest count will be coming later. So that's what. And so this view I will be getting as movie ID and rating count. These two fields I am going to get uh, in this view, top movie IDs. We know now we have the movie ID with the rating count in descending order. Means we can decide what are the popular movies, but we are going to get movie ID. That this doesn't looks good. Let's replace this movie ID with actual movie name. Then only we can understand and we can find something. Okay, which movie name is actually have the highest rating count, and based upon that we can finally find the most popular movie. Let's join this particular view to our name table we have created for from u.item file for keeping the movie name. Let's copy this command HiveQL. Control Shift V. Okay, so it is going to run and join these two tables, move top movie IDs and this name table. It is, and it is going to give us the, why I'm limiting, I'm limit our result to 20 because it contain lot of records. Enter. It is going to take couple of tasks because mapper reducers, lot of mappers, a lot of reducers is going to happen by map reduce. For the time being, I'm pausing my video. One. Here we go. Finally, we got this top movies name with the rating count in descending order. So we have this 20 movies. I have limited to 20 record, and you can see the Star Wars is coming. Is becoming the top movie here. Having it has been rated 583 times. So we can say Star Wars is the top movie, most popular movie here. Then comes the Contact, then comes the Fargo, then the Return of the Jedi. So like that, and Titanic is also coming here in the top 20 movies, we can say. That's how we finally we can able to query and find the most popular movie using Hive. So this concludes also my all those Hive series video, and thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.